Hello Aries, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and in this video we'll be having a look in your love life. So on one side will be your energies, on the other side will be the energies of the person you're dealing with, and then the most likely outcome. And please feel free to swap the characters according to your situation. So let's see what are the energies on your side, Aries. What's on your side, Aries? Energies for Aries. Okay, so we have the Ace of Swords. You've started something new, or maybe entered into a relationship with a new person, or stepped up in a relationship. So there is a brand new beginning over here in your life with the Ace of Swords. So let's see what's on your person side. On your person side, we have the Nine of Swords. That's very weird. This person is having a lot of anxiety, tension, sleepless nights. Okay, so let's see what's the most likely outcome in this situation. The Lovers. That is a beautiful relationship here. Okay, I'm just setting the camera. 1 second. Yeah. So here we have the Ace of Swords. I've told you it's a new beginning. Here this person is upset and very, very anxious for some reason, and with the Lovers as the most likely outcome, either you have choices. I'm saying that because we have the Nine of Swords here, or maybe it is a connection which is actually fruitful as the most likely outcome. We'll see that, what it is all about. So why is this Ace of Swords here? Okay, so why is this Ace of Swords here for Aries? So for the Ace of Swords, we have the Moon, the Knight of Wands, and the Seven of Wands, and the Two of Pentacles. Okay, Two of Pentacles, Three of Cups. Okay, let's see why is this Nine of Swords here for? So for the Nine of Swords, we have the Six of Cups, the Strength, the Page of Cups, and the Nine of Wands. Okay, so let's see why is this Lovers here for as the most likely outcome. So for the Lovers, we have the Four of Swords, the Knight of Wands, the Ace of Cups, and the Two of Cups. Okay, the Justice. See, okay. So Aries, you've started something new, or this is a brand new relationship or a brand new beginning with this person. But the thing is, initially things were not very, very clear. Perhaps something was, some lack of clarity was there. But since there is a lot of passion in this relationship, I don't know what is not clear. There is something which is not clear. And this lack of clarity can be, maybe you don't know about the feelings of the other person. It can be that, or it can be the lack of clarity on your part that you really don't know you want to commit or not. I'm saying that because we have the Two of Pentacles also over here. So anyway, though you have started with this person, you have entered a relationship with this person, or you want to do that, but maybe you really don't know which way to go, or will you proceed or not, something like that. There is some sort of something which is not very clear over here to you. And we have the King of Wands, the Seven of Wands, Two of Pentacles, and the Three of Cups. So what I feel here is, though there is a lot of passion in this relationship, but there is something which there is indecisiveness on your part. You are not able to make up your mind. You are juggling between few things, maybe because of some other reason or some other aspect, or juggling between two people. It can be that. We have the Three of Cups also over here. So maybe you are already in a relationship with someone, and that is why the clarity is there. You really lack of clarity is there. You really don't know what to do, what not, because with the Three of Cups, maybe you are involved with someone else also. It can be that also. And in spite of the passion being there, what I feel is, with the Seven of Wands, maybe even though you entered the relationships and the lack of clarity can be because of this. Maybe you're dealing with someone else also. You really don't know how to move ahead, what to do, what not. And that is why, in spite of passion being there, you are just taking perhaps a step back or retreating from this situation, uh, giving up being in this situation. Okay, so you are, I think, moving away or retreating from this situation or this relationship. That's what I feel. Okay, so though it is a new beginning, you just started it, but then you realized at some point in time that maybe you will not be able to take it ahead. You will not be able to move forward in this relationship, and you really didn't know how to do that. Even if you want to do that, though you have a lot of passion, and you really don't know how you will be able to take things ahead or step forward in this relationship, and because of this lack of clarity of how to do it and that indecisiveness, you have taken a step back. And this indecisiveness is stemming up from the fact that I think there is somebody else also involved in this relationship, okay, on your part. And that is what is stressing out the other person. On your person's side, we have the Nine of Swords, and in spite of this person is stressed out because you have perhaps retreated from the situation and you are not committing, you are indecisive. This person wants reconciliation here with the Six of Cups. This person is really having a hard time dealing with whatever it is, because this person has a love for you and they're waiting for this person is really waiting for you. That's what I said. You've retreated to some extent from this relationship. You started and you retreated, and that is causing a lot of anxiety on your person's side. They really want a reconciliation. They're really having a hard time dealing with the way you are behaving over here. They really have love for you, but the thing is, they at this point in time they feel that they have lost it, and they will not be able to achieve it. And it's like they know love is there, but it's really hard to catch it, sort of. And they're waiting for you to be back since a long time. That's what I feel. Maybe there is a disconnect since a long time. It can be that also, because what I feel is they are really waiting for you to be back since a long time, and this wait itself is causing them a lot of stress. The most likely outcome, we have the Lovers and then the Two of Cups and the Justice. So I really don't feel it is talking about choices. What I feel is people will be getting back together. That's what I feel here with the Four of Swords, the Knight of Wands, Ace of Cups, Two of Cups and the Justice. What I feel here is that both of you may be taking some time off to decide, taking time alone. You are taking time off to make a decision. This person is also stressing out. So after that period of so-called retreat is over, after that healing is done, after you have thought about it, what to do and what not to, you will gain the clarity and you will realize that you really have a lot of passion for this person, and you are now ready to open up. That is what you will be doing with the Ace of Cups, the Two of Cups and the Justice. What I feel is the things will be sorted out. The passion which is there in both of you in this relationship, it is a beautiful connect. This passion will receive that justice. That is what I feel. This passion, this relationship, this bond will ultimately be balanced. You will get the justice once you decide to open up, and it is really beautiful. So this person is really excuse me, this person is really waiting for you, and you are, though you have a lot of passion for this person, but something is stopping you and is causing indecisiveness on your part, and that is what it is. Okay, so this Three of Cups, maybe you're involved with some other person. It can be a love relationship, it can be some other relationship, not necessarily romantic. It can be your work also. It can be anything else apart from this relationship which is holding you back and causing you to retreat and take a step back from this relationship. But this person is really maybe that is why you're feeling as to what will you do. Perhaps you will not be able to give them time. Perhaps you won't be able to do justice with this relationship. There are n number of thoughts in your mind, and that is why you've stepped back. But this person is really waiting for you, and you people will be together. Justice will be there. This love situation will get sorted out. Let's see what is the guidance or message from the oracle cards. Slow down, pause and allow things to unfold. Number 9 may be of some significance for you. So yes, this is what the time is talking about. If things are not happening right now, then just slow down. Whatever has to happen will happen. Just see, it's a similar picture over here with the slow down here, and with the Four of Swords. You just need to slow down. You just need to focus on yourself. Give time to yourself, and you will realize what your inner voice says. You will heal, and solutions will come themselves with the time. Pause and allow things to unfold. things will show up themselves. Universe will show you the signs and signals, or whatever it is. Universe will guide you to the right path. So whatever the lack of clarity is right now, I think it will be sorted out if you give it time. So Aries, that's all I have for you. Hope it helps, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and do like, subscribe and share, and yes, do comment if this video resonates with you. Bye.